oil.
We're getting a new truck.
You pulled the seat up, didn't you?
Because, check this.
Get in, the seat pulled up.
Okay, you fix it.
I'm a big fella.
How do I put this seat down, Junior?
Exact same way, just like the old truck. So they're gonna buy our old truck and give us our.
No, they ain't gonna buy it. They're just gonna keep our old truck.
They're gonna
And give me
used
this one.
car's gonna buy it.
Huh?
The used car lot's gonna buy it. What he said?
Yeah.
Yes. Look at headlights. Look at that.
I actually got in that side, easier than this side. That's unusual.
And they're gonna keep our old.
They are.
They are gonna keep our old truck and
Try to sell it.
try to sell it. So check this new camera out. Look at that camera.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey, look how big this camera is.
Yo, it's like a TV screen.
You can see really well. You don't even
Whoa.
have to look back.
I think there's a second camera actually.
So you're gonna go out this way and
Yeah.
around.
Mm-hmm.
So
I thought the color.
I
yeah.
knew it wasn't going to be. I think I told you, did I say that?
Oh, that does look great. No. So yeah,
Reaching up here for the years.
Huh?
so we got a new truck. So
How did you open this dash?
This is Wolfie.
Oh, I see.
signing out.